Okay, let's talk about something that's quietly changing the game for your wallet in 2025, interest rates. If you've been eyeing your mortgage, your savings account, or your stock portfolio, this is not the year to snooze. After the most aggressive interest rate hikes in 40 years, central banks, the Fed, the European Central Bank, even the Bank of Japan, are finally flipping the script. Over the last 3 months, mortgage rates have dropped by as much as 1.5% in some markets. That's not just a number. It could mean tens of thousands of dollars saved over the lifespan of your loan. Here's the thing. If you haven't checked your mortgage rate lately, you might be missing out on a massive opportunity to refinance or finally jump into the market if you've been on the sidelines. But don't wait forever. Once these rate cuts are fully baked into the market, the best deals could disappear fast. But it's not just borrowers who need to pay attention. If you've parked cash in a high-yield savings account, you've probably noticed your returns starting to slip. Banks move quick when rates go down, and your juicy yields from last year are already shrinking. So if you've got idle cash, consider locking in a CD, or if you're up for a little more risk, think about rotating into assets that tend to benefit when rates drop, like REITs, small-cap stocks, or growth tech names. Let's break that down. When borrowing gets cheaper, companies can invest more, consumers spend more, and growth sectors often get a boost. That's why you're seeing REITs, small caps, and tech stocks start to reprice, sometimes in just a matter of days. If you're heavy in cash, waiting for the perfect time, you might be missing the early part of the move. So what should you do right now? First, review your mortgage or your rent situation. Does it make sense to lock in a lower payment? Second, don't let your savings drift down with the tide. Shop around for the best rates, and consider diversifying into assets that actually benefit from falling rates. And finally, keep an eye on central bank moves, because what they decide this quarter is literally rewriting the rules for your finances. Bottom line, 2025 is the year to act, not react. Don't let this quiet shift catch you sleeping. If you play your cards smart, you could set yourself up for years of financial wins. Thanks for watching. Navigate wealth with Svoboda Finance.